Hey everyone, hope that you are having a fantastic Memorial Day weekend. Just going to go over a couple of things. We are, of course, going to be closed on this Monday, which is Memorial Day, and we will resume classes on Tuesday, 5/28, with our normal morning classes and our classes in the evening, so everyone get ready for that. This week, Sensei John is on vacation, getting ready for all those summer camps and so forth, so I'll be teaching the classes in the evening and looking forward to some great classes and great sessions as we get everyone training and moving forward toward our goals in June. But I do want to announce that this Thursday, which is going to be May 30th, we're only going to offer the early classes, which is going to be a 3:30 class and the 4:15 class for little champs and for kids, as I have to step out of the building that afternoon, so there will not be any 6 o'clock p.m. classes or 7 o'clock p.m. classes. As our training goes, I want everyone to know that we're going to maintain our training status, our training program, because we have testing in the middle of June. So on June 19th and 20th, we have testing. On the 22nd, which is a Saturday, we have graduation. With that said, I want to remind everyone that I think we all would agree we had a much better testing and registration and graduation period last time because we had the earlier registration deadline. So reminding everyone that Saturday, June 1st is our registration deadline for testing. You may sign up at the school or you may sign up online at masteryresources.com. There is a $15 late fee. Reason why, as we explained previously, because we've expanded the number of kids who are in our school and our program, so we have to have more time for the preparation to make sure that we can have a fantastic event for everyone. Summer themed training, for those who've not been here before, what we do during the summertime is we have a theme for each week. And in Little Champs for the last 10 minutes and for kids for the last 15 minutes, we do that particular theme for the week. So that will pick up, I believe, on June 3rd, which is a Monday. And then next week, we'll be doing some base training, but I'll throw some different stuff in so the kids can have a little bit of fun and learn a little bit of extra stuff also. After the June testing, I want everyone to know and be aware of that all of our students may come to class 4 days a week if you'd like, between the 24th of June and July the 25th, if my memory serves me correctly. We recognize this is a heavy travel time, and when you're in time, we want to make sure that you have the opportunity to come in the building and get as much training in as you possibly can. Other than that, I think is there anything else that I have for you guys? I'm feeling pretty good about that. That has to do with all of our class schedules and everything, so that's fine. Moving on to events. My instructor, Guru Bahati will be in town on Sunday, June the 30th, and he will teach a Silat and Kumtao weapons-based workshop. He has told me he's going to pick up where he left off from his last class, which was in December, and then he's going to do a quick review, and then he's going to move forward with that training that he wanted to complete. So he's going to spend about 2/3 of the time on the weapons work and about 1/3 of the time on Tamaga Dalam for those who train internal ops with him. Now, anyone who knows Guru Bahati knows that the thing says 11 to 3. It's going to go a little longer than that, but we know that sometimes people have to leave. Adding on to that is in June, we have a number of activities. One, dads can train free. And then we also, on June the 15th, will be having a Bring Dads to Martial Arts Day as it's Father's Day weekend. And we will be having a gun self-defense workshop. And guys, we definitely invite you, but ladies, we want to also invite you out there so you can understand how to handle scenarios with a firearm. A firearm is the thing that you're most likely to run into these days. So it'd be good to know, how to handle such situations besides just giving the person your wallet and moving on, which is always a smart thing. But sometimes we get in a situation where we just have to act. And so it will be good to have some training so that you guys are good to go on that and so forth. And then at the end of the month, on June the 30th, we will do a women's self-defense class. So if you have friends and people who are interested, please let us know. So I think that's going to cover all the base announcements we have coming up for the month of June. I hope once again that you guys have a fantastic Memorial Day weekend. And I want you guys to know that it is our pleasure and privilege to serve you. Terima kasih, aloha, one love, happy Memorial Day weekend. We'll see you guys on Tuesday.